Dear friends, welcome to learn about our 3-channel intelligent sawing and milling machining center. As a high-performance machine integrating multiple advanced technologies, it is designed to realize efficient, precise and intelligent processing of door and window profiles. Equipped with 6 high-power drilling and milling spindles and 3 sawing spindles, it supports simultaneous compound machining of drilling, milling and sawing, achieving ultra-high production efficiency. The upper cutting spindle blade features rapid movement, enabling fast corner guard cutting, while the dual drill milling spindles realize simultaneous and efficient machining of glue injection holes and mounting holes. With patented servo pressing technology universal die pad, it effectively prevents profile tilting and ensures stable processing quality. The fully enclosed sawing and milling unit offers safety and low noise performance, paired with automatic chip removal function to keep the working environment clean. Intelligent functions are fully upgraded. It supports intelligent control and interconnection, integrates with ERP software for fully automatic processing. Exclusive 3D simulation realizes pre-error correction, achieving what you see is what you get, what you draw is what you produce. Dual laser positioning enables automatic marking for outer frame and center pillar, with spindle servo control ensuring stable acceleration and ultra-low failure rate. The whole production line covers automatic loading, processing, unloading, coding and orderly stacking, realizing one-stop intelligent production. It is an ideal machine for door and window manufacturers to improve efficiency, quality and reduce costs.